Hello again, my precious. Here is another video on my channel, and today is the last video about pronouns in Ukrainian. If you want more videos about this part of speech, please write me in the comments and I will do the video for you. And you can offer me any topic you wish, any topic you don't understand in Ukrainian, and I will do it for you. And now, let's start! Займенник, орудний відмінок. Pronouns, instrumental case. You can watch my other videos about instrumental case of nouns, instrumental case of adjectives to understand this topic more. So, let's learn the rule. Personal pronouns, особові займенники. Again, in nominative case, the question is хто, who or what, що. In instrumental case, ким, чим, with the help of whom, with what instrument, or with the help of which person, like this. So, я, I, мною, with me. Ти, you, тобою, with the help of you. Він, he, воно, it, the same form. Ним, with the help of him. Вона, she, нею, with the help of her. Ми, we, with the help of us, нами. Ви, you, with the help of you, вами. Вони, they, with the help of them, ними. Next, possessive pronouns. So, you know, the question it's whose, which ones, whose. And we have here grammatical feminine, grammatical masculine, and plural. And in instrumental case, with the help of whose. Yes, which ones? Again, masculine, feminine, and neuter, and plural. So let's look here. Мій, твій, my, your, моїм, твоїм, with the help of my, with the help of your. Моя, твоя, feminine, моєю, твоєю. Моє, твоє, neuter, моїм, твоїм. Мої, твої, plural, моїми, твоїми. The form його, his, in instrumental case, the same, his. Її, her, the same in instrumental case, її. Our, or your, наш, ваш, нашим, вашим. Наша, ваша, it's feminine, нашою, вашою. Наше, ваше, neuter, нашим, вашим. Наші, ваші, plural, нашими, вашими. Their, їхній, їхнім. Їхня, it's feminine, їхньою. Їхнє, neuter, їхнім. Їхні, plural, їхніми. Question, interrogative pronouns. So, who, whose, with the help of whom, ким, yes, with the help of whom. What, що, with the help of what, чим. Який, what kind, яким, it's masculine. Яка, якою, feminine. Яке, яким, neuter. Які, якими, plural. Possessive questions. Чи, чия, чиє, чиї. We look through here. Чиїм, It's masculine, шиєю, feminine, шиїм neuter, шиїми plural. And which one in order? Котрий, masculine, котрим, котра, feminine, котрою, котре, neuter, котрим, котрі, plural, котрими. And the pronouns that point, yes, always this, that, those, and these. So, let's start with that and those. Той, that, everything is that, but it's grammatical masculine, той in Ukrainian. Тим, та, grammatical feminine, тою, те, neuter, тим, and plural those, ці, тими. And this, these. Masculine, say, this, цим. Ця, feminine, цею. Це, neuter, цим. Plural, these, ці, цими. If it's not clear for you, write me in the comments any question, and I'll try to explain more. But here it is almost nothing to understand. It's just you need to learn these forms, and that's it. And we don't have exceptions here. That's the great plus. So just only these forms. Let's continue.
В той день, коли ми станем собою.
Потренуємося. Let's practice. Here we have an exercise. With the help of with brackets, we see that it is a nominative case, and we need to put it in instrumental case. So you can pause this video, go back to the previous slide with the rule, do this exercise, and then we will check together. So, I have made this exercise for you, so let's check. Ми привіталися з нашим деканом. We greeted each other with our dean. We greeted our dean, but I try to explain. З нашим деканом, it's grammatical masculine, so instrumental case in this part. Я ходив у парк з моєю сестрою. I went to the park with my sister. Grammatical feminine, instrumental. Ти дружиш з його братом? Are you friends with his brother? With his brother, grammatical masculine, so you see. And it's in the masculine form and nouns. Минулого року вони познайомилися з моїми батьками. Last year they got acquainted with my parents. Plural. Instrumental plural. Я не знайомий з цим хлопцем. I'm not acquainted with this guy. З цим хлопцем, grammatical masculine, so you see. Викладач розмовляє з моєю мамою. A teacher is talking to my mom. Or is speaking with my mom. So, anywhere where we can put in English the preposition with, we have instrumental case. It's grammatical feminine. Вона часто свариться з її бабусею. She often quarrels with her grandma. Feminine again, instrumental. Я часом сперечаюся з моїми батьками. I sometimes quarrel or argue with my parents. Plural. Instrumental. Студенти попрощалися з їхніми викладачами. The students said goodbye or with their teachers. Said goodbye to their teachers, but in Ukrainian it's instrumental case. Plural. Я хочу поговорити з моїми друзями. I want to talk to my friends. Or with my friends. Instrumental plural. Мій батько раніше працював з цією жінкою. My father earlier worked with this woman. Grammatical feminine, instrumental. Вам треба порадитися з вашими батьками. You need to consult your parents. So, з вашими батьками in Ukrainian instrumental case. Ти повинен сьогодні зустрітися з твоїм викладачем. You must today meet with your teacher. Masculine instrumental. If it's not clear for you, leave me a comment. And I will try to explain some more. But we continue our practice. Потренуємося. Let's practice some more. So, here we have not possessive pronouns, but personal pronouns. Let's do this exercise, and we will check together. Let's check this exercise. Він не привітався зі мною. He didn't greet me. So, here is instrumental case. Зі мною. Я хочу познайомитися з тобою. I want to get acquainted with you. Instrumental. Це неправда. Я не розмовляв з ним. That's not true. I didn't talk to him. Вона ніколи не радиться зі мною. She never consults me. So, instrumental here. Так, звичайно, я зустрічався з ними. Yes, of course, I met with them. Я хочу розмовляти з вами. I want to talk to you. Не сідай переді мною. Don't sit in front of me. Я рада познайомитися з вами. I'm happy to get acquainted with you. Він ніколи не зустрічався з нами. He has never met us. Ти познайомився з нею? Did you get acquainted with her? Again, here, the different forms of preposition with in English. So, in this case, we use our instrumental case. This is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you enjoyed it immensely like me have enjoyed doing it. I hope everything was clear for you. Write me in the comments if it's not. And give you ideas about future videos. Yes, I have my own programs, but I always open to your ideas, and I am always happy to help you in any difficult question with Ukrainian language, which is my native. So I'm waiting, and give this video a huge thumb up. Don't forget to share it with your friends who want to learn Ukrainian, and we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.